Here's our campsite. Our number. David and his family up and about in their campsite. It is a Debbie waving. They're on lot 148. It's a nice campsite. Quite a ways from the toilet, but it's a nice campsite. This is Dan's. His campsite isn't so good. No fire ring, just some stones here. These are going right over our house. Here's our camp at Straight State Park at St. Ignace. We're on lot 56.
You still got to charge them up every once in a while. But that's a sign that it is starting to get old.
Here's the Bacchanal Bridge. You can see it disappear in the fog. Right there. We're down here picking up rocks, trying to skip them in the straight. Other people out here are swimming. There's little patches of sand all along here. People gather down to swim. It's awful hard on the feet because you can see the stones in there. David and his family eat breakfast already. I thought we'd have pancakes. Here's a picture of the bridge. Early morning with the sun striking it. Water's pretty calm still. You can see this St. Ignace has got a lot of pines. Looks like they carved it right out of the woods. This is our camp again. Are down at the beach at St. Ignace. And Debbie and Julie and Jennifer taking a dip. They act like it's quite chilly. Bridge in the distance. We're at Brimley. Second day here. First night. This is lot 202. And here's ours. We're at 204. Here we are, a rear view of our campsite. Whitefish Bay. Right over there is where the big ore ships go in, the lock. Over here is where they come into the bay. On the shore of the campground. This is a swimming area. Trying to get her feet wet. Looks like she's going to succeed. Giving a demonstration of the fancy teeter-totter. Rivermouth to Prominent Falls State Park. There's Mother putting up her lights. Here's our lot, or we're set up. View down the street, quite piney. Lot 39. Over here is David's campsite. It's right across the street from us. Looks like Debbie's doing something. They're on lot 40. Their view. River, viewed from our campsite. Over here is a rustic campground for the river mouth. Evidently they don't have any electricity or bathhouses, but it's part of the Tacoma Falls River Mouth State Park.
Old Clinton's giving a talk about it.
We had dinner out here camping.
Feels their pain.
He feels their pain.
I didn't get you a white one.
I know. I don't think one person could feel it.
They're all kids' Bibles.
I do think somebody.
You don't see women carrying white
There's
Bibles.
Debbie, Julie, and Mary, and Debbie,
Burgundy.
David. He's taking pictures
You
too.
like that already? Thank you.
And Daniel.
And the sun's bright.
Where's the Vernon Brook gift certificate?
In my purse. Oh, Dad's right. The
There's
lived it.
Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Kind of a camcorder too.
Oh, they.
There's
Wow.
Cheryl, a birthday cake.
Is that 25 each?
Yeah, right.
We're following them that meeting.
Yeah, at 100 miles an hour, but
I'd say forget it already. I said the car was going 85.
Here we are. Just had ice cream and cake.
Oh, really? Why don't you just stop, turn around, get them off the track? They bugged her to death all her whole life.
Pretty good. I don't know how long it'll work.
won't if you had it charged properly.
Sorry, worries.
Got your answer. September 15th. Fraser. Weeknights at 11.
Apple stop.
I know.
Note the wire down. This is causing us to be without some of our electricity. We only have a half a house that works. Fortunately, the furnace and the refrigerators are working, but the living room lights, the bedroom, and the basement lights, none of them light. More of the limbs. This one here, it didn't break off, but it's down to the ground, and it's hooking right up next to the tree, so it'll never straighten up. I'll have to cut it down. This is Grover's limbs on his property. He doesn't have only half of his electricity and no phone, or no cable, I mean. That same wire down, and it's broke right off by the corner down that way. See how the lilac bushes bent over. There's some more down limbs over in Grover's yard. See how they were over in Grover's yard. See how the poor old Persian lilac bushes all droop down. I hope it springs back up. Honeysuckle, it's drooping. But I wouldn't care if it got broke off. The flowering quince here is bent clear over. It usually sticks up higher than the eaves on the garage. Here's our chief cook, working away, all by her lonesome. Nobody's come yet. Alright, we got the table all set. I shouldn't say we, I should say she. Gonna have 2 over there, 8 at the table. Thanksgiving Day. And here's Diana on her 16th birthday. It's on Thanksgiving Day this year.
16 years old.
The camera to me.
We've ground the turkey into submission. Now they're eating pie.
Did you see me on TV on the parade?
I watched it though.
I was on TV.
Where were you?
I yelled to Ken to hide, and there was the real, like right in between the thingamajig, the camera guy was there, and he pointed it at me. She was the only one.
Diana's opening their birthday present.
Take my secret.
Looks like it's gonna be jewelry.
Yeah, the D. Pretty.
How many
Thank
have we
you.
got?
I don't have none.
Oh.
I don't.
I came close. Mom and I saw a 16. It was so pretty. Oh, it would have been nice. The guy
Thank
that
you.
did it, he was really pretty. David.
I'm getting a brand new car for your birthday, 16th birthday.
Here
this
she's
one was
getting
first
one.
one.
I'm going to
That's
put
what I
this
told
back
you
in the
to
box so
do.
you won't lose her,
Tell
okay?
Grandma about her.
You got any chains? I didn't know if you did or not.
Well, my mom bought one for Christmas.
You know what you're going to
She
get for
told
your
me, though.
Christmas now?
Chain.
My mom told me I got she bought me a fake chain.
Chain the world.
It's pretty.
Don't put that on a chain.
Jennifer, don't play.
Put her head down to the floor.
What's that one thing? I don't know what the one thing is. What's that?
What's that?
Oh!
Has anybody played you that song, Happy Birthday, Sweet 16?
That's what I get. I get that from my birthday. That's what. Oh, look at that. Like,
Thank you, Grandma.
I
Thank
am
you,
not a
Papa.
snowball anymore. What's
pretty.
it say? Push the button on the bottom, it plays.
Oh, it does. Little Valley in the Bear.
What's it play?
I don't know.
Does it do this and see if it shakes?
There's
yeah, it's
there's
got
no
glitter.
snow.
It's no
Oh.
snow, but it's glitter. There's glitter in there.
It plays Happy Birthday when I open up the Christmas
I was
stuff.
gonna say,
There were a couple of years
keep it
ago,
in there,
it was
so-
all
Eating.
didn't need gas. Nothing bothered him. He didn't want gas. And of course, pay a bit of money for gas. And so we didn't always have the same one doing it.
Grandma,
Bellevue did some of it.
David.
Same day, I was invited to a birthday party and I was talked out.
But it was wisdom tooth out last year. They said they would.
Woke up, was all over.
Eating.
Well, quite a while ago, Jim didn't like it. But I do.
Well, that's all Spencer. You know what he did? He stole my 2 Christmas tablecloths.
What?
I still have. I don't have. Where did you get? Where were they?
Oh, there's someplace in the basement, but I just said, oh, that Jim, he's come in here and taken
Here is
Well, I do know some.
Christmas
What?
tree
Sharon and
this
George
year.
got married. Sharon and I worked at CNC. That was in 1991.
There's the presents at the foot. We're going to just picture right now.
It was 6 months after that.
boys. Where's David and Dan?
This here's a table. We haven't got anything on it yet, but getting it set up. Everybody opening up the presents.
I got one last year.
Really got a mess in there on the floor.
Here's David talking.
Here we got Dan sitting in the doorway.
I picked it out.
The tree is a little empty now.
That just screams grandma.
Still opening over in that corner.
And in this corner.
Gosh, you're doing everything.
Yeah.
Jennifer watching intently.
Wait, no, I
Toys.
Jonathan. Hey, that.
Come sit on our lap.
That scared me.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This is
Look at the birdie up
5 generations.
Why can't Debbie do something stupid?
there.
Watch her fall down.
He's a birdie. Give it a little.
Aunt Debbie,
Jay and
what
little
are you
Jay.
doing? Jay and little Jay.
Bumblebee, bumblebee, come from the barn.
I hate it.
Jonathan under the arm.
There's old Grandpa.
Haven't said that in a long time.
Am I supposed to be recording this, Dad? Am
Yeah.
I supposed to be recording this?
No, I thought you'd hold on to it until you give it somebody.
Okay, red button, right?
Yeah.
Get everybody on it.
Okay, here's Grandma with the 2 grandmas with the baby.
Chewing on them, that's good for something. Probably weighs as much as him. Watch you don't get grandma with him.
I have a weight tonight. I
Well,
need
those
some
are-
action, you
Those
guys.
peas are interesting, aren't they?
Say something.
tasty,
do
too.
something.
I'm gonna get up.
just.
I want food. I
I
want
Dan so I can eat.
Pry his mouth open.
You don't want nothing.
Here is the table all set. Debbie was just putting some of the jello on, or salad.
Get it.
Here's the girls getting ready for to hunt for Easter eggs. When I say go, they're going to start. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey, now move out of my way. That's fine. Look for it.
I don't know how many years or more they'll keep this up. They're getting kind of big, but I'm still looking forward to it this year.
My pile's on the couch. Don't be stealing.
Here's one of them, piled.
I know there's at least 2 more.
I'm intimidated.
Where's your pile, Jen? You carrying them?
Right there.
Jenny got them all?
I mean, Jennifer wants this here already.
There's Jenny's pile.
Very small and insignificant.
There's Julie's pile.
Is there any more?
Well, I think they're about done looking.
Can I have one?
How much you get?
I'll set it down for Easter dinner. Usually I get to think of taking, there's the cook looking at us now. Survey the table. said, Ma's happy birthday, her 99th one.
He tried to make her a birthday card on the computer. He made one for Julie. Did he tell you about it? Had the graveyard done on one side.
Oh, yeah.
Some of the guests here,
It was,
a hostess, the host.
it was Jenny. I wondered if she was 13.
Yes,
Last
I
Friday. Oh, Debbie's. First, May 1st. Glenn, move her walker before you take her.
All right, is it showing? This is Aunt Irma, here to celebrate Ma's birthday. Ma opening their presents today.
You got another card. She won't have anything to worry about from now on. Oh dear, I just got sit down. Take it.
Some of the guests.
Yeah, some dumb name I ever heard of. I said I got a hospital company, I can't do that.
That's why you need
Okay, I'll call tomorrow, and I said, don't bother.
That's why you need a caller ID. We've stopped a lot of those alerts.
This looks like a
Well,
book.
they charge you for underneath.
George Kell,
Yeah.
of Tiger Tigers. And he's just been so upset about those tigers, and sputtered so about it.
don't think too much of time.
I got flowers today too. We got flowers today too for Nurses Day. For Nurses Day, who's Jennifer? Mark. Oh, and it's a big arrangement for both of us, and I thought that's, it was
How's
funny.
your rib?
Secretary's Day is like 2 weeks before Nurses Day. They're both on Wednesday. I said Nurses Day's in 2 weeks. So today the flower, he just gets him something really nice every year, but he just gives it all at the same time. Well, this year, they were all sporting new jumpers. I said, he just makes you look bad, Mark. You don't want to know.
Well, I didn't hear what you said.
And he says, why?
Here she is on her happy Mother's Day. Now we're done picture taking of her. She got to go change her clothes and get to work. Here's this vicious dog of go over bother her. Yeah. That's a big chain, isn't it? Oh, shampooing his car.
Hi, Mom, number one.
You're number 4. And David, barbecuing the chicken breast we're going to have for dinner. Here's Dan's rose bushes he bought for his deck or his house, I don't know which. And here we are, some more of his flowers. Working on her day. We are all sitting down to eat, all except me. Mother?
When you agreed to go together.
Here's the old mutts out here, camping.
See your plate. No. See your plate.
Sally, or Sandy and Molly. Molly, she's pretty quick.
She don't have any of the cats.
Yeah, I got all of
Bernie? What's a Bernie?
Sneaking back up there.
You got the shark?
Here's our new trailer on its first camping trip.
White bear with the Canadian flag.
We're here at the same old lot.
I didn't know my birthday is coming up.
Got the cap off that thing?
Yeah. Dan, he's on this lot 61. Here he is all set up. This is David's place. There's the dogs again. Sandy's a big one. That's David's new dog. He's had her a couple, 3 weeks.
Almost 2 weeks.
And Molly's the little one. That's Dan's. He's had his about a month and a half.
Happens when Doug's dogs come around.
Like 2 new shipments coming. Like
Them dogs would
Friday.
attack ours.
How much are they selling for?
Aaron and Princess?
No, I don't know.
You're about to
All sitting around the campfire,
By the time the last
Hello.
swapping lies.
Pray for rain.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, staying up all night.
I was kind of leery. I
Gets
said,
all his
oh, Dave was
crap,
going to
but
get
he'll
me
be right
up
over
and
here.
walk that stupid dog.
Yeah, remember to get the green one out for her. Now, you don't think I would have bought her one and not Jennifer.
Would you buy them at in the McDonald's there at Walmart? Walmart's or just in the store? We got Julie one at the top.
How's it look?
There they are, sitting around again. We're trying it on manual focus now.
Oh. Ah! Oh, that'd be scary. Don't afraid her like that. The cat waddles and what?
Peanut.
Hyperventilating.
Yeah, she has like 8 of those. Happy
No, he's
Meal
talking
bags.
about the plastic one, so I suffocate myself.
No. That's what you're supposed to do
Here's
when
a
you
fire.
when people have panic attacks and hyperventilate. They're supposed to breathe in a paper bag.
I'm having the roll down the window
Close
tells
the
her that you're
breathing
having a panic.
Our trailer, all set up at Cadillac. Same lots we've had for 2-3 years. Here's the rear. Posing for me. Their new trailer. It's a Dutchman. There's a view from the back. They're also on the same lot that they had for the last 2-3 years. Some of the new construction going on up here this year. They're having a new entranceway cut in. We had to come through a temporary one. I don't know what's going to be there. But over going to do away with the old one. They have the new office building, which looks completed. They were working on that last year, but they haven't used it yet. I don't know what this platform's for. Some new roads on this side of there. Maybe one's the entrance and the other's the exit. I don't know. Is the pump they're going to put down in there. Over here's David. Mary, Dan's lot. She's getting stuff out of the car. And here's Dan. Holly, are you caught? Poor dog. And here's a view of Indian Lake from our lot. I'm standing right back of Dan's.
Wave.
Wave, Molly.
Wave, Molly. Molly, can you wave?
There's the bathing beauties out there in the lake. Jennifer and her dad and Julie and Dan and Mary. Here's the dock and the boat launch area. Evidently the lake's got a nice shallow beach. Runs out quite a ways with no drop off. It's Cheryl's birthday. Here she is, opening her present. How old are you, Cheryl?
51.
51.
Many people are furious that someone else, a college student who could have stopped the attack and did not, is avoiding punishment. As CBS's John Blackstone reports, it's a case where the law does not go.
My client's presumed innocent.
As Jeremy Strohmeyer goes on trial in Nevada today, charged with killing a 7-year-old girl.
There's Grandma watching her open her present.
Should be on trial too. David Cash.
Diana, watch the proceeds.
Security cameras in a Nevada casino recorded Sharice walking into a women's dressing room.
Which took it all apart. Good grief, we'll never get it all back together.
Little girl. I do not know starving children in Panama. I do not know, people that died of disease in Egypt.
There is no law.
It'll be her birthday in a couple days.
Report a crime.
There is no chance that I will go to jail.
This is Cheryl's birthday cake. We're going to have some cake and ice cream. More guests arrive. Jennifer and Julie. And over here we have David.
I'm 67 years old and I may dance, but I never break.
This is the birthday cake. She was a little more than 3 though, even though there was only 3 candles.
Just a little over.
There's Debbie.
Jennifer, do you want some?
Family is said to be kinder and have more time to subjects. British society are real.
Stardust on her happy birthday.
These are all the cards I got out for them all.
She's opened her cards up and looking at them. We're going to the Essen house tonight to celebrate her birthday.
Had a party out at the mall too.
And she had a party out to the mall.
That's so cute. Show what anybody else was like.
What kind of ice cream's that?
I don't have to dish it up.
It's not.
You want some other kind?
No, this is fine.
I want that better good stuff. I'll dish it up.
This is David on his 43rd birthday, December 16th, 1998. He's opening his present, and his mother got him his card.
Huh?
Got a red skeleton bunch of tapes.
You all out? Yeah. I'm all out. Oh, you got 2. Oh, you like that? Thank you.
Grandma here.
Because you're moving tomorrow. Here she is.
This is from Dan.
You have. And
Bob, what you need to do is grab hold of a piece of paper and just grab it.
that's where I
This is Dory Bod. Her Christmas Eve.
Careful, then he wasn't up.
He's opening his present.
What you got?
birdseed.
And there's Grandma watching them. She'll get hers tomorrow.
Bonus pack.
There's Debbie watching with David. Watching.
You sure should.
Aides out here working, clearing up the mess.
The Merry Maid. Yeah.
You want me to go get that? You should go first.
No. If she's tomorrow, if she's gonna be here tomorrow, we'll give it to her now. Where come you changed your mind?
Yes, he did.
Oh.
I was gonna take it home, but I was gonna take it home. That's all gonna change. Oh, isn't that pretty? My favorite color.
That's the medium, is that all right?
That one. Yep. Yep. Well, thank you.
Here.
Alright, girl.
Right.
I
Tell him.
Joyeux Noël et bonne année.
Centerpiece is
Don't appear to be.
Oh, okay.
what Dan and Mary saying.
This is your plate or their plate? That's David's plate. It goes with that dish.
Broke and I got 2 dishwashers. 2.
Did we have them?
It broke and I got 2 dishwashers to take its place.
Don't you remember when that? Oh.
2 kids.
There's Julie. Jenny opened a couple presents that was under the tree.
A little rubber ducky. Boy.
You're so fun.
Jennifer's
going real slow.
Taking forever.
What is it? Hold it up there.
It's not a purple rubber ducky.
Just what you wanted,
What's
wasn't
in it? Oh.
Oh, gee.
Let's see, Jen. You're the same color?
You see, I bought you something from the porch, the
Bath and Body.
and I
The
never-
washer?
I lost them. I don't know where they went.
And she sits here, laughs at Grandma.
You lost our Christmas gift?
Yeah, she got you something from Bath and Body.
Oh, it's all sticky. Ah!
Christmas tree all lit up. Christmas morning. The angel, the manger scene on top of the TV. There's the angel. Underneath you can see the packages. Sandy, the sleigh. Here is a tree in the dining room lit up. And the little railroad that's underneath. Digging out Christmas presents.
Norfolk, Virginia, a little tough going this morning, freezing rain. Temperature's going to struggle there.
Arranging things, I guess.
Today, snow moves in later on. San Francisco showers only 48. Toledo looking pretty good, 34. For Christmas Day, 26 Billings today. Houston, cloudy. In Houston,
She's opening one of her presents.
Only known living octopus spoke publicly for the first time. Yesterday, Ike Lewis Adobe told reporters the birth of his 8 children is a blessing.
The main preoccupation right now is the health and the well-being of my kids and my wife.
The Chapu octopus remained in critical condition this morning. 7 of the babies were born on Sunday. Their sibling was delivered 13 days pilot on whether censure is actually an option for an embattled president.
When a president does wrong, the Constitution offers only one punishment, impeachment. So don't look to the Constitution, no more vehement expression of disapproval. It's
What have
no
you got?
surprise The scholars differ over whether Congress, given the separation of powers, has the power to censure a president. Censure's political appeal is something scholars don't dwell on.
Oh, turn it up so it looks like sideways.
Congress could claim it had in fact done something.
It's sort of a slap on the wrist. It's an embarrassment.
Joseph McCarthy terrorized official Washington with wild allegations of communist conspiracy. When the censure motion passed, McCarthy lost all influence and died a broken man. The last senator
She is getting mine.
David Durenberger in 1990 retired from politics under the cloud. No president has been censured by the Congress in 155 years. Back then, Andrew Jackson's political opponents pushed through a resolution accusing him of abusing power. But when Jackson's party recaptured Congress, members...
Grandma opening, or mother, Harriet, opening her present.
You want, I'll just buy it and buy you something else.
There's Dan over there opening his. David.
Stone coaster.
And Molly in the background looking to see if she's got anything.
Cheryl, it was under the tree.
David.
The girls.
See, that's what you get.
I might go open this one today.
Cheryl's opening hers.
Dan.
This is the way the drive street looks. The little one track. And the house. View of the outside. This is toward the front. So looking at it directly toward the front. This is another view. You can't see too good till we get it out camping or the whole side, but this is a view of the back. Now we'll go inside, look inside. Artists sitting at the booth. You can see our booth. Here is our Davenport. And here's our bedroom. Nice queen size bed. Here we got quite a bit of space on each side of the bed. This is the left side. For ship people, it's the port side. This is the right side, or starboard. You can see there's quite a bit of space over there. Cupboards up above. Stand on each side. Nice drawer to keep your stuff in each nightstand. This is the kitchen area. Our sink and stove. Microwave up above. This area is the refrigerator. Showing off the bathroom, you can see the bathroom sink.
Stand here, you can get a shot of the tub area.
Yes. There's the throne. Or area. The bathtub. If you took a bath in there, it reminds you of taking an old-fashioned wash tub on Saturday night. So it's small.
So you don't get in set in.